All right, guys, today is the day my TravelPro suitcase set arrived. As you can see, it's pouring down rain outside. FedEx just left it on the porch, not covered. I would like to thank TravelPro for being cool and covering it. This is the round trip soft side, so we'll do a quick unboxing. Okay, as you can see, I went with the black color. I want to say there was a blue, maybe a pink, and a green. Personally, I thought the green was the prettiest, but let's be honest, this cloth is going to get scuffed up, destroyed, so I just went black because it's boring, and it won't show as much with the scuff marks. This is the color I really liked. All right, so this is what they say about it. As you can see, I didn't think there was much online about it, so I guess we'll look. 360 wheels, the contour grip. Looks like there's some kind of fancy dancy thing if you get some of the smaller accessories. All right, let's start opening it and take a peek. Okay, so this is a whole lot of nada on this outside one. This is the medium size that you have to check. Okay, let's see what goes on here. All right, doesn't unzip all the way. Opens like this. Pull some paper out. Looks like just a giant pocket for the front. All right, let's zip it back up. Okay. You guys ready for another big reveal? All right, this one hinges, obviously. So you can see it opens like this. Oh boy, these spinner wheels are nice. All right, let me pause this real quick. Okay, what I didn't show is obviously if you put the two zippers together, look, you can put a lock on it. It doesn't look like it has a specific area for a lock on the outer pocket, but if you look, it's pretty big. You can just zip them together that way. This is where your carry-on comes in. You can look at that one in a minute. All right, this actually looks nice and deep. Kind of surprised about that. I'll go get a ruler, we'll measure in a minute. Inside has a zip pocket. Oh, fancy. It looks like you can register your product. Comes with a nice little luggage tag. Some straps to strap your clothes down. I don't think the liner is removable, but don't quote me on that, but it doesn't look like it. Here you go. Here's another big zipper pocket. Mesh. Probably put some dirty clothes here. One of the things I did notice about this is my guess is this round trip is probably like their lowest quality line. But with that being said, this feels really nice. There's a little cloth handle down here at the bottom. I did see a additional zipper. This little hidden looking one extends another inch or two. That's nice. Let's get the ruler and measure. I feel fairly certain you guys can read this all online. But just to show you, if I push this down, say 9. So then if we unzip it, we'll add some more length. There you go. Not bad. All right, back to the exterior. So you can see there's a nice solid handle. Push the button. These are always self-explanatory to me. Rolls twice. Does have these nice little plastic pieces and then a little luggage tag thing here. Something on the bottom as well, so hopefully your stuff won't get destroyed. But it's the airline, so who knows. All right, next. Carry on. Okay, and I'm sure you remember it came packaged inside the other one. So this has a little zipper at the top. Kind of deep little pocket in here. Let's see. About a 6-inch little zippy pocket. Good for like maybe your passport, a couple dollars or something. Okay. Next, let's look at the big reveal here. So you can see these wheels are great. Keeps rolling everywhere. Ta-da. Just another large pocket. Another nice handle here. This tells you about the suitcase, probably that under suitcase rolling bag, just another bag they have. All right, so you can see this thing rolls great on hardwood floor. Oh, so nice telescoping right there. This one only has one of these little plastic things here at the bottom. Another spot for your name tag. Well, as you can see, it's obviously just a smaller version of the bigger bag. Another clamshell open. Same concept over here. This can't do anything with, just mesh. Another little pocket on the inside, pretty cool. The bottom does seem like it's wider than the top. Still has another handle here. I saw another, whatever that is. All right, so let's see. Turn this around. So at the top, hitting the little metal, you got about what, 5 inches? 5 inches at the top. This one also expands. Pretty fancy. See down here at the bottom. Looks like we got a depth closer to, oops, sorry everybody, about 8.5, 9 inches, and it does expand. Once you get in your cute little pocket. More ties. Obviously, I haven't traveled with it yet because I just pulled it out of the box. It does seem like it's pretty sturdy. Oh, it has a nice little handle on the side right here, too. Hopefully, it'll hold up with some years of use. So far, it looks like it'll do what I need it to do. Really can't complain. This also has nice big spots, so if you want to put a lock on it, you can. And this one has the circle for the lock. Hopefully this will hold up. I have a couple of international trips, a couple of local trips coming up. Wanted something a little bit lighter than a hard-sided. Haven't used a soft-sided in a very long time. So just thought I'd mix up the suitcases and see how this goes. I guess with time we can make a follow-up video, but it'll be a while. So hopefully everybody enjoyed my quick video on the TravelPro Round Trip Soft Side by TravelPro. And in case you were wondering, here are some dimensions for the carry-on. And it's got a lifetime warranty. So hopefully everybody has a good one, and I'm sure I'll be making another video in the future.